My medical degree has been lately been used and been defined by a medical designer. Design is everywhere. It matters most now because technology is not defined by how well your phone works and how fast it does, but how does it make us feel? How does it make you feel? Design matters more in healthcare, and we need to see it now. We need to embrace design. How many of you have been to the doctor? Raise your hands. Good, good. How many of you have been to the Apple Store? Most of you, or if not all of you. How many of you have probably booked an appointment with the genius at the Apple Store? Okay. And so when you go to the Apple Store, I think like going to the doctor should be like going to the Apple Store. And here's why. When you go to the Apple Store, it's like going to your favorite art gallery or a museum. It's an experience in human-centered design. It's well laid out. It's well lit. There are people that will help you. And when you get there on time, you're seen on time. When you go to the doctor, right now, you wait hours. It could be 5 minutes. You don't really know. And you really probably read magazines that are 2 years old. And so companies like IDEO are practicing human-centered design for the last 20 years. And they're doing it in healthcare right now. They helped Apple create the Genius Bar and really have created a good customer experience that you enjoy. And so when you go to the Genius Bar, you're seen, and they're there to answer all your questions. And they're there to help you, guide you, and you feel like you're really one-on-one with that person. The geniuses of healthcare are doctors and nurses. They're there to help you. But they only seem to have 5 to 7 minutes of your time, and not all your questions get answered, leaving you frustrated. There's got to be a better way. So startups like ZocDoc are trying to do that, where you can book your appointment online with the doctor that you want. My friends at HealthTap have created a platform to where real doctors like myself answer questions that you post in real time, avoiding an unnecessary visit to the doctor or an unnecessary visit to the emergency room, saving you time and money. My friends at PillPack have made this incredible experience of getting your mail order pharmacy. Basically, you know exactly what you need to take Monday at 8 a.m., and you know exactly what's in it. And if you have to take a trip, you just roll out how many blister packs you need, and you take it with you on the go. And it has a great mobile app to where you know how to manage your medications. You know how much things cost, and you know exactly what's in it. Where is that in healthcare? Where is that? And when you buy health insurance, the bill you get in the mail, it's so frustrating. You look at it, it's gibberish. I don't even understand it, and I'm a doctor. So companies like Oscar have come out. They're in New York, and I hope they come to Boston soon. They've come, and they've tried to make the health insurance purchasing power and the process easy. So when you get your bill, it looks like this. You know exactly how much you pay and when. And so when you do this, when you're at the Apple Store too, you're likely to look around. You're likely to browse. You'll probably buy something like I always do. And you know exactly what you're getting. You know what the features are. So where is that in healthcare? We don't know how much things cost. We don't know how much the prescription we're being prescribed by a physician is. And we don't even know how much a true cost of a doctor's visit is. There's got to be a better way. So companies like Oscar are doing this. And when you leave the Apple Store, it's an incredible experience. You're still engaged because you get a software update. You get a rollout of a new product every few months or a year, and it brings you back. So where is that in healthcare? When was the last time a doctor called you? When was the last time this happened? And so I've devoted my entire career, the rest of my career, to bringing about design solutions and better patient experiences to healthcare. Because I personally believe that, and I'm starting it with Comfy Ball. It's basically a smart squeeze ball. It has sensors in it. And it allows the children to communicate their level of pain and discomfort to the care team. So then the care team knows exactly when to react to the child in real time, saving the child grief and stress. It saves the care team time and money. And it helps the overall provider and patient interaction that much better. And you can see here some of the kids that we've worked with at Boston Children's Hospital. It's been a phenomenal journey, and I can't wait to do more. And so fundamentally I believe that better design and a better experience, it's just better medicine. It's as simple as this equation. And so when I think about design, I think about it from a process that when you're learning to design, you're learning to see things. And I see a better healthcare experience in the future. Thank you.